This is a concentration cell problem. Be sure you read it carefully. It says if the iron 2 ion concentration in the right compartment is changed from the 0.1 molar concentration that's currently listed to something much smaller, 1 times 10 to the negative 7th, then make some predictions. So they're saying it's no longer 0.1, it's 1 times 10 to the negative 7th molar. In a concentration cell, whichever compartment has the lower concentration is the anode. So what that means is the driving force that's going to make electrons flow in this cell is the imbalance in concentration. It will continue to allow electrons to flow until the concentration on the right side is brought up. Simultaneously, the concentration on the left side is brought down, and the electrons will flow until those two concentrations are equal, at which point there would be no net flow. Because sending electrons from right to left in this concentration cell would have the effect of bringing up the concentration, because when iron loses 2 electrons, it produces iron 2 ion. And what we've got embedded on the sides of the piece of metal in the right chamber are lots and lots of neutral iron atoms. For every 2 electrons sent down the wire from the right side to the left side, you'll have iron 2 ions jumping off and entering solution. That has the effect of bringing up the concentration on the right side. And simultaneously, as electrons arrive on the left side, iron ions will be jumping onto the iron. In fact, you can measure this. If you weigh the iron before and after a concentration cell or any electrolytic cell or galvanic cell has taken place, there will be a change in the mass if you let it run for long enough. You'll get a measurable change in mass. So we would expect the mass of the iron on the right side to be decreasing and the mass of the iron on the left side to be increasing. And as it's doing so, the concentration of iron on the right side is going up and the concentration of the iron on the left side is going down. And that'll continue until they meet. Okay, so to answer the question, the electrons are going to be flowing from right to left, and since anodes are always the place where oxidation occurs, and Leo the lion says grr, that means losing electrons is oxidation. That means that the anode chamber is on the right.